Oh, it's the Crappy Gardener. Oh, yes, the Crappy Gardener. My, the Crappy Gardener. Crappy Gardener Show. Okay, so New Year's has gone by. Robbie Burns Day has gone by. Groundhog Day has gone by. And we're heading to Valentine's Day on Friday. So we're well into the season, the new year. And the gardening season for me started February 1st. I took one of those 9 bark right back, and I'm going to do the other one as well. But today, I've been itching to do this, so I'm taking out these 2 mulberries. And what I've got here are hydrangeas and forsythia. That the judge planted, and then somebody let these mulberries go. I had to be very careful though. They're not that big, but they're big enough to be a problem. I also have a problem here, and I can't go down here until this is done. But that evergreen, oh, it's almost gonna go. That bottom there has to give out, but I cannot go down there until that occurs. We've had a couple of windstorms and it still hasn't dislodged it, so I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, wish me luck. I'll report back when they're done. Happy crappy gardening.